Federal-style furniture has a rich heritage dating back to the late 18th and early 19th centuries in America. This furniture style is characterized by its elegant design and was popular during the Federal period, between 1780 and 1830. Furniture hardware, in particular, played an essential role in the design and construction of Federal-style furniture. In this article, we will explore the furniture hardware used in Federal-style furniture and how it influenced the style of furniture. Furniture hardware refers to the metals and other materials used for decoration or reinforcement on furniture. This hardware is often used to enhance the appearance of the furniture, but can also be functional. Federal-style furniture was made of various materials, including mahogany and satinwood. The hardware used was made from brass, iron, or some other metals, depending on the type of furniture and the desired outcome. Brass hardware was one of the most popular in Federal-style furniture. This type of hardware was used on case furniture, such as armoires and cabinets. The hardware was often very elaborate, featuring intricate designs and details. It was not uncommon for the brass to be used as a decorative feature on its own, with designs that were not necessarily functional. Examples of this could include intricate rosettes or unique scrollwork. Brass was versatile and could be used to create many different pieces of furniture hardware, including drawer pulls, hinges, and escutcheons. Drawer pulls were often round or oval in shape, and the backplates were often decorated with geometric shapes or ornate designs. Hinges, on the other hand, were often very plain and practical, with little ornamentation. One of the most significant advantages of brass hardware was that it could be easily polished to a high shine. This made it an excellent choice for Federal furniture, which was known for its sleek and elegant design. Iron hardware was an affordable and popular choice for Federal-style furniture. This type of hardware was used primarily in the construction of chairs, tables, and other pieces of furniture meant for heavy use. Iron was known for its strength and durability, which made it ideal for furniture that would be exposed to regular wear and tear. Iron hardware was often unadorned, simple, and strong. Often painted or coated, the iron hardware was not designed to be decorative but rather to provide a functional purpose. In addition to the type of hardware used, surface treatments such as gilding and painting also played a significant role in Federal-style furniture design. Gilding, the process of adding a thin layer of gold, was a popular technique used to enhance furniture hardware decorations. Gilding was often used on brass hardware and was applied to create a shiny, reflective surface. Sometimes called brightwork, gilt hardware was prevalent in Federal-style furniture and was often used to highlight areas of the hardware that were meant to be decorative. Painting was another popular surface treatment used in Federal-style furniture. Often used to add color and detail to the furniture, painting was used in a variety of ways. Chinoiserie, a style that featured Chinese and Japanese motifs and designs, was prevalent in Federal furniture. This style often employed bright colors and intricate patterns painted on hardware or other decorative elements. Paint was also used to simulate other materials, such as marble. This technique was commonly used in furniture hardware, such as columns or finials. Federal-style furniture was known for its elegant design and attention to detail. Furniture hardware played a significant role in the design and construction of this furniture style. Brass and iron were the most commonly used materials, although other metals were also used, depending on the desired outcome. Surface treatments such as gilding and painting were also used to enhance the furniture hardware. Overall, Federal-style furniture hardware was a beautiful and intricate part of the furniture, adding to the overall elegance and sophistication of this iconic style. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.